Empower charges fees based on how you use its cash advance and optional features, which means the cost is tied to access speed and app usage rather than a single fixed subscription price. By the end, you'll know what you actually pay for when fees show up, and whether those costs make sense for the cash advance access you get. Start with what the fee actually is. Empower is not a traditional monthly subscription loan app with one flat price. Instead, costs usually come from optional features and how you choose to access funds inside the app. That means two users can have completely different costs depending on how they use it. Now explain where fees typically show up. Fees often appear when users choose faster access to cash advances. Standard access options may be lower cost, while faster delivery options can include additional charges depending on your setup. Now explain why this structure exists. Empower is built around income-based cash advances, not long-term borrowing. So the app structures costs around convenience and speed, rather than interest-based repayment like traditional loans. Now move into what users often misunderstand. A common misunderstanding is thinking Empower has a fixed monthly fee that everyone pays. That is not how the app is structured. Costs are not always present unless you use specific features that trigger them. Now explain what you are really paying for. You are mainly paying for faster access to your own earned income and cash advance features when they are available to you. The value depends on how urgent your cash needs are. Now explain when it might be worth it. If you are using cash advances occasionally for short-term gaps, the convenience can outweigh the cost. If you rarely need early access to money, the fees may not be necessary for your situation. Now explain when it may not be worth it. If you rely on cash advances frequently, the cost can add up over time because fees are tied to repeated usage rather than one-time access. Now give a simple decision breakdown. It is worth paying for Empower features if you need quick access to cash between paychecks and value speed over cost. It is less worth it if you are trying to avoid extra fees and do not need fast advance access regularly. Now summarize the key points. Empower does not use a single fixed monthly fee structure. Costs depend on how you access cash advances and app features. And value depends on how often you need fast access to money. One practical next step, IT. Check the cash advance options inside the app before using it, because that is where any real cost will show up, based on your selected transfer speed. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of finance apps without confusion or hidden details.